Hello guys, this is Susan from easyhaul.com. Guys can come show my website, your eyes, and check out the shoes I introduced today. My website have a many details picture. You can check out my picture. Okay, today I will introduce the pair is the Air Jordan 6. We can see the green color. Take a look at that. Take a look at this pair of shoes. The green color is very cool. Back, shoes back. Another side. The bottom, you see, have some color. Green color is really special. Okay, first we can see the upper. Okay, see the upper. The green color is really lavender. See, the tone is very lavender. It is very comfortable to wear, and the layer have a stitching. The stitching is so good. Can see. So good. The layer have some air hole. You can see the air hole. Very good. Air hole. Layer have some orange color. It is very special. The air hole. You can see. Okay. Layer have Air Jordan's logo. It's really cool. The layer have a white shoelace, and the layer have a green color shoelace. It is very cool. You can change your shoelace in the white. You see, so good. The layer have Air Jordan's logo, and the layer have Air Jordan. See, the layer have Air Jordan's logo. It is very cool shoes. Okay, you can see the layer have a air cushion. Can see, it is very comfortable to wear. So nice. The layer have some orange color. So good. Okay, next we can see the back, shoes back. The shoes back layer have a shoes tape. The shoes tape is the materials is the pellets. You see, and the layer have a Air Jordan's logo. Okay, you can see the inside. It's really good, and the layer have a size label. You can see the size label. This pair of shoes size is the 8.5. We can see. Okay, and we can see this pair of shoes is made in China. Inside, very good. The stitching. Okay. Next we can see the button. So nice. We can see the orange is the Air Jordan's logo. Really good. And the layer have a many lavender. Can see it is good for running. So nice. The design is very good. Okay, next we can see I will give you a pair of the toe. Can see the pair of the toe. There have Jet Red and the Air Jordan's logo. It is really soft. You can see the soft toe. Okay, and we can see the suspendon. The suspendon, we can see the size. The size is the 8.5. Can see the black one. So let's turn it over. Okay. And next, we can see the shoes box. Can see, so nice. Okay, we can see there have a Air Jordan's logo. Can see there have a shoes box, shoes label. We can see there have official side 8.5, and the official color green. You can see. Okay, we can see the inside. Have a two shoes pair, and we can see Believe Mika. Okay, we can see this pair of shoes again. If you want to buy this pair of shoes, you can click on my website. I will give you the best deal. Okay, review my website, easyhot.com. You can click on my website to check out the details picture. Okay, hope guys alright. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.